How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Just got home from work, trying to catch up on a few things. A couple of things I've been needing to do for a while, and mail call is one of them. So let's get to it. Now, the cool thing about mail call, and I don't get a bunch of it, I don't do a bunch of it, but the cool thing about it is it actually lets you know that somebody is actually thinking about you, if that makes any sense. Whenever you do the YouTube thing, you meet people through the internet, through videos, through chats, through comments, stuff like that. And some of them do live streams, so you get to kind of know them a little bit. They become friends. And this first one I've had for a while. I let them know when I got it, but I wanted to do a proper mail call because I thought it was so sweet, and it means so much that they took the time to do it. Now, what this is from a great channel called Fab Automotive Detailing. He has several kids. That's what his name stands for. Faith, Ashlyn, and his son, Brian. But what happened was, if you see right here, 2 Camaro Time from Ashlyn. And any of you that watch my channel know that I have a black car, or black Camaro, and a red Camaro. So she made a drawing. Look at that. Super nice, ain't it? Now, I have a frame in my room that I'm going to put this in. I've been wanting to put it in there, but like I said, I wanted to do the mail call, and I wanted to do a proper thank you and let you know how much it means to me. But that's Red Rocket. That's what that is, Red Rocket. And a lot of people actually call my red Camaro Red Rocket. So I thought that was super nice. It's got the countdown on there, 5, 4. And I thought that was really cool. Very nice, Ashlyn. You keep up the great work. Don't give it up. You're off to a great start. Thank you very much, Ashlyn and Brian from Fab Automotive Detailing. That means a lot. I am going to put it on in a frame and put it in my room. Now, the next one I haven't opened yet. I already know what it is, but I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do it with you guys. It's from another great channel that I support, and it supports me. It's kind of a networking thing. You watch their videos, and they watch your videos. They like, you like, they comment, you comment. It's a give-take relationship with a lot of these channels on YouTube. And I'm not going to show you the address at the front because it's got the address and everything on it. And a lot of people really like to remain private. I don't blame them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my universal letter opener, right? And we're going to open this thing up. The thing about a universal letter opener, it doesn't work on just letters. It works on fish. It works at lunchtime when you forget to put a good knife in your cooler. It works on people if they tick you off enough. But here we go. Yep, it's exactly what I thought it was. Well, they actually sent me 2 of them. Thank you very much. And just so you know what it is, a lot of channels do merchandise, stickers, hats, shirts, stuff like that. And sorry, I seen my camera do something funky, and I was like, what the heck? But a lot of channels do shirts and stuff, for their channel. That way they could sell them or give them out to subscribers, supporters, stuff like that. And that's exactly what this is. I belong to a channel called Saint Auto. He also has another channel called Saint Enterprises. And what they do is, on one of them, they sit there and we talk anything car related. He shouts out other channels that do live streams. He gives you tips. If you have any specific questions, he'll answer them. He's an ASE certified mechanic, and there's a lot of other great mechanics and people that are in the know in the chats. So I've gotten lots of great feedback on stuff. I've gotten lots of great knowledgeable answers on stuff from everybody. And yeah, Saint Auto, thank you very much. Victor and Carol Singh, great people. Very great people. And that's really all I have for you today. I just thought I'd share these 2 things. Like I said, I've been behind on my mail call and everything, and I really wanted to put these out there so you guys could see and, Maybe start your own channel. Start your own stickers. Start your own artwork. Send me some. But with that said, you guys get out there, enjoy your day, enjoy your car, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by.